Hello guys, welcome back to my another video. In this video I will show you how to fetch and update the CRM variables values dynamically using a Deluge script. In the previous video I will declare a one variable discount percent and initialize its value as 10. So in this video we will update the same variable value using a function. So go to the setting icon in the developer hub section, go to the functions and click on new functions. Enter the function name. I am entering the function name as variable test. Copy the same function name and paste it in the display name. If you want to edit some description, then you will add in the description section and select the function category. I am selecting the function categories as automation and click on create button. So first we'll show you how to fetch the CRM variable. Declare a one variable and write zoho.crm.getOrg and in the double quotes you just passing your variable API name. Just info your variable RESP and click on save and execute button. Yeah, so it's written my variable value which is 10. So now we'll update the same variable value. Okay, first you have to initialize the map. In the same map you just enter the API name and its new value which you want to update. So first I am enter the API name of the variable which is the discount percent, and in the another line I am entering its new value. I am I am updating the value which are 20.5. Declare a new variable response and write a syntax zoho.crm.invoke connector and passing the crm.set first, and in the second parameter I am passing the initialize map and info that response. Click on save and execute button. So now it's written the response new value updated successfully. So I'm just refreshing my variable page. Yes, so it's updating the variable value. If you found this video helpful, please like and share and subscribe my channel for the more Zoho CRM videos. Thank you.